What is vector product of two vectors? Let us consider two vectors A and B. Assume that the angle between the two vectors A and B is theta. The cross product, that is nothing but the vector product, is represented by A cross B. And this has a magnitude which is equal to AB sine theta. Remember, the vector product, as the title suggests, is a vector. It is not a scalar. So this must have some magnitude. The magnitude of this vector is AB sine theta. And the direction is given by n cap, where n cap is a unit vector perpendicular to the plane containing the two vectors. It's very important to notice that. For example, if I consider, say, this is x-axis, this is y-axis, and this is z-axis, and assume that this is the plane which contains A and B. Let's assume that this is the plane which contains the vectors A and B. Okay, then the vector which is the product, that is the cross product of these two, is perpendicular to this, maybe in this direction or maybe in this direction, and the rules are there to find out the actual direction. But just keep in mind that the direction is given by the n cap, that is a unit vector which is perpendicular to the plane containing the two vectors. So if I take that into consideration, A cross B is equal to AB sine theta, okay, AB sine theta into n cap. So this is how we represent a cross product. Now how to get the direction of n cap? There are two rules. One is what's called as right-handed screw rule. It's something like this. Imagine a right-handed screw to be rotated from the direction of A to the direction of B. Then the direction in which the tip of the screw advances gives us the direction of A cross B or n cap. So just visualize this. The screw, the right-handed screw, is rotated from an A vector to B vector. A vector to B vector. Right? So if this is the direction in which it is rotated, the tip of the screw advances along the direction as shown. Or if you want to use so-called the right hand rule, if one curls the fingers of right hand around a line perpendicular to the plane of the vectors A and B, and if the fingers are curled up in the direction A to B, then the stretched thumb points in the direction of A cross B. So notice that the vectors are, this is A and this is B. So if the fingers are stretched from vector A to vector B, imagine curling your right hand fingers from A to B, then the extended thumb indicates the direction of the cross product. The extended thumb indicates the direction of their cross product.